welcome to my channel, Loic channel. We're making an oil-water experiment color. What ingredient it needs? Glass, water, oil, wood color, and particle stick, and lino. Let's start this, guys. Now we can have place to do this. Here a glass, little of water, 1/2 stew. This is the wet one. That much first you need litter. That much. Now first we're going to keep the food color. First tape the particle sticks to take it out. Now we can. Okay guys, now we'll stir it. Now we're all done stirred. Now guys, next one, we need to keep oil. Gently, slowly we need to keep oil. Don't want to spill the oil. Now guys, the oil is poured in. Please wait. First, the oil is floating on the center here. That's where the oil is. And down there, there's the colors. Now first, the colors are making that oil to float. First, you need to sink. You need to sink those oils. Go in. For safety, scissors. We need to be careful. I'm going to use my data help. You know it's opened. Now we need to pour it in the bread. Then wow! It's making some sound, guys. More. That much, guys. Now can we start it?
No. You sit and see.
It's making this waiting up. It's getting some crap to deep down though. Guys, the colors are waiting from this one and making the waiting colors to come up and come to tiny balls. Now can we do this? The colors are separating the chemical color. It's separating the colors. Is it, guys? Please try and home. Simple. We have red. Now he just read to Please subscribe on my channel. See more videos of Loic, what he can make. Bye.
Isn't it cool?
Is it cool? It's coming by the spike, guys. Please subscribe on my channel. See more videos of Loic. Subscribe on my channel. Press the bell. See more of Loic channel. Bye.